Alright guys, fast-paced EDC loadout video. I basically have 3 loadout systems, a light one, medium, and a full loadout. What I always carry does not change. What I switch to, that does change. So let's start with my watch. This is an Orient automatic Raven with a aftermarket nylon strap. This one is fantastic, has black coated rings. It's a 5-ring model. This is a great watch. I don't think this will focus. Can't really see the screen. Oh well. This doesn't change pretty much at all. Sometimes carry my G-Shocks, sometimes I don't. I just go back to this automatic Orient. I have a new phone. Let's get this one out of the way. This is an iFox X9 5-inch screen. This one is a great phone. Costs around 170, 160, depending on where you find it. Really great phone. Have this one for about 2 weeks now. Sure beats the crap out of my old S3 Mini. Some say this is analogous to the S5. You know, performance-wise, some say it's even better. I like it. Still have to get, you know, the hang of it. Quite a couple of things are different with this one. So this is out of the way. I always carry sometimes some type of lip balm. This one happens to be a Mountain Dew Voltage. I sometimes switch to the classic Blistex lip balm. This one tastes much better though. What else is new? New is this one. This is the Through Night Ti4. This is a 2 AAA pen light. I had to throw away, unfortunately, my Streamlight ProTech 2 AAA. The batteries, you know, leaked and the insides were just shut up. So this is a great bright light. Brand new basically. Haven't carried this more than 3 times yet. So I will keep you updated. I will review this individually. But so far I really do like it. Really cool, small light. What I switch to when I have more pocket space and basically in a dark, I don't know, situation that I know of, you know, when I go out at night, come back later at night, then I carry this one, much more powerful. This is Streamlight PT2AA. This one has momentary light. And I just noticed, which is actually great that I noticed this, batteries are empty. So I will switch those. Good to know. Another light setup is this one. This is my day carry. This one is the Swiss Army knife. The Victorinox Swiss Champ Mini, or Mini Champ actually, ALOX. This is a fantastic super slimline mini super tool attached to a Through Night Ti3. This is fantastic. This is a really great, really bright light. During the day I don't need much. When I know I'll get back before dark, this is what I carry. What I carry instead sometimes is a slightly bigger model sized combo. This one is an Olight i2 EOS. This one is a 1AA model. The other one was a 1AAA model. Just has a little skull bead on here. I carried this a lot. And this is the Victorinox Sportsman. Has a corkscrew. You sometimes need a corkscrew. Sometimes, with my full loadout, I carry those two. This is a Buck 110 Ecolite. This is a fantastic, really great blade. Has been reviewed, has been featured in other EDC updates. This I carry with this as a combination. Right side, left side on my belt, both horizontally. What I have in this pouch also is a small backup battery for my e-cigarettes. Yes, I do vape. And what I have here is pretty new. This is a Lamy Pico extendable ballpoint pen, because sometimes you just have to write something. original Leatherman pouch with a Victorinox Swiss tool CS Plus. Full-sized awesomeness. This is great for everything life throws at you. What I carry instead of this buck is this fixed blade. This is a cold steel mini tack Skinner. Really cool knife, I have to say. And now my mini tack collection is complete. All have the non-serrated edge, and I carry this one vertically on my right side. Sometimes in the summer when I wear shorts, this is very, very light. Those two are very heavy. They pull your pants down. I don't like that. So I carry this fixed blade lately. I carry other fixed blades sometimes, but this is what I carry a lot. Sometimes I switch from the other Victorinox to this one. This is the Spirit X. Slightly smaller, more elegant. Has basically the same tools, and I carry this one vertically on my left side in this really cool original Victorinox leather sheath. Additionally, I carry a Sharpie Mini, sometimes in different colors, doesn't matter to me. I always carry a lighter. There's a mini big lighter and an L&M stainless steel case. Has been, has seen a lot of use, really cool. Let's get to my money management. This is a small HPC brown leather coin purse. Goes very well with my card wallet. This is from Brown Bear. Really, really nice leather, I really have to say. This is a very flat, really cool option. Now let's get to the secondary sheeple blades that I use in public when I use public transportation, or just open, mail in the in the atrium of my house, let's say that. Spyderco Kiwi, wonderful stainless knife, really like stainless. Or I carry this Sanrenmu, model name is, oh Jesus, 4025 BBC-SA. Model number doesn't really matter to me. Backlock, strong backlock, really nice, really sharp, very small blade. Neck knife, I basically only carry one lately, and that is this mini tack Tanto, also from Cold Steel, and I carry this one around my neck when I have my full load out, and when I have just light clothes on, just a shirt and some shorts, I have this one on my hip, on my belt, and I don't carry a neck knife. Some of the instances I don't carry a neck knife, this is one of them. So let's get to my keychain. I don't think anything has changed there. I think my bike lock changed, but that isn't everything. You can check out the key video. Nothing has changed there. Still with the clip, still going strong. And I think I switched out this keyring. This is a little bit smaller, a little bit sturdier. The other one was bent a little bit. Now, sunglasses. For eye protection, I use my Wiley X Valor. This is a great model. This one I use when I'm biking, when I really need to use sunglasses that don't slip off my face. Those are fantastic, really, really great. You can switch out the lenses. They are provided when you buy them with clear lenses, for shooting or whatever you need them for. Those are just really, really great quality glasses. Those are more lifestyle glasses. You can hear them squeak. Yes, those are Oakley's gas can model. Very, very nice shades, but slightly, I don't want to say the word worse, but slightly worse quality than the Wiley X actually. Same price though. Those are my Oakley's. Now, let's keep the blades to the end. I carry e-cigarettes. Those are the sizes I like when I go out. This is a big Mama Jamma. This one I only use when I, have pocket space or have a backpack. just a big battery and some upper tanks. The tanks vary. This one happens to be an Aspire K1. This is a Kanger, and this one is also a Kanger Tech. I think this is the Pro Tank Mini 3. Really, really cool. I think I have peach in there. Really nice. So, primary blades. Yes, only 2 lately. This you have seen already. Medford Praetorian G10 clone. Really, really nice knife. Very heavy knife, but slightly less heavy than the full steel model, of course. And what I absolutely adore lately, the Cold Steel 4 Spear Point. This is a perfect EDC blade for me. I have large to extra large sized hands. This is a fantastic knife, and yes, I took off the thumb studs for legal purposes. You can still open it one-handed, but mostly, you know, I don't have to open it one-handed, so I can use it two-handed. And that's it. If you have any questions about any of the items on the table, I appreciate you asking me. I will try to answer. Have a good night. Roll Tide.